take a ride through blood and lymph that flow inside. A pumping heart and vessels wide. It is the transport highway we can't hide.
Blood is fluid, red and true. With plasma cells, it functions too. Plasma's pale, 90% water. Carries nutrients, waste and order. 3 types of cells do circulate. Let's revise before it's late. RBCs or erythrocytes, round and red with iron bites. Hemoglobin binds O2 so tight, carries it day and night. WBCs, the soldier's bold, leukocytes as we're told. 5 types in 2 arrays, granulocytes and agranulocytes play. Platelets, tiny cell-like chips, for clotting when there's injury slips. Help from the fibrin mesh to seal the wound and guard the flesh.
Blood groups come in A B, and O, you know. Discovered by Landsteiner's mind. Antigens and antibodies aligned. A has A, anti-B inside. B has B, anti-A implied. AB has none, receiver great. O has both, can donate. Raw factor next, plus or minus sign. Mom's raw can cross the line. If mom is raw, baby Russ. Erythroblastosis vitalis is a fuss. Pump, the heart goes on. Beating rhythm, dusk to dawn. Atrium, ventricle, left and right. Circulation, day and night.
4 chambers working neat. 2 atria above ventricles beat. Right atrium gets CO2 filled vein. From vena cava a steady train. To right ventricle it moves along. Pulmonary artery joins the song. To lungs for gas exchange complete. Then oxygen rich it will greet. Pulmonary vein to left atrium flows. Then left ventricle powerfully throws into aorta, the largest line supplying body. That's by design. Valves are gates that shut in style, preventing backwards blood by mile. Tricuspid, right AV gate. Bicuspid on the left relate. Semilunar valves on artery ends. Guard the flow when pressure bends. Let's break down a heartbeat fast. It takes 0.8 seconds to last. Atria contract, atrial systole. Then ventricles push, ventricular roll. Relaxing phase, diastole time. Blood fills up, rhythm and rhyme. Looped up sound we always hear. Due to valves both far and near. Lab is AV, valves closure call. Dub S, semilunar valves fall. Atria contract, atrial systole. Then ventricles push, ventricular roll. Relaxing phase, diastole time. Blood fills up, rhythm and rhyme. Looped up sound we always hear. Due to valves both far and near. Lab is AV, valves closure call. Dub S, semilunar valves fall. ECG records it all so clear. P-wave, QRST appear. P-wave, atrial depolarize. QRS, ventricles energize. T-wave, they repolarize. Double circulation, human trait. 2 separate loops that operate. Pulmonary circuit, heart to lung. For gas exchange, oxygen sprung. Systemic circuit, heart to all. Distributes blood from head to soul. Portal system has a special theme. Vein to vein, the liver scheme.
Has its own pace, but nerves and hormones keep the race. Missing no pacemaker spark, AV no delay from mark. Bundle of his branches, work a kinship fibers, spread the ties. Sympathetic speeds, parasympathetic slows. Adrenaline rises when the pressure grows.
Not just blood, there's lymph and linicles. Fluid so fine, leak plasma from cat beds. Returns to veins as lymph spreads. Lymph node fight infections while with lymphocytes. They form a shell, absorb fat from small intestine. Bilactals, that's by design. Low precious blood, 20/80, and then HG. Systolic on top, diastolic below. We see measured by sphygmomanometer. Keep a check, be smarter. Hypertension makes pressure rise. Risk of stroke, heart compromise. Coronary artery disease blocks the flow. Atherosclerosis builds up slow. Angina pectoris, pain so tight. Heart lacks oxygen day or night. Heart attack.
Muscle death halts the action. Like volume 5-6 liters around. 7.4 healthy ground. Hemoglobin 12-16 GDL carries gases very well.
On the left his branches wide per PJ fibers black and bone marrow always.
WBC's live from days to year. The numbers rise when